Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix iOS 17 battery draining issue solved. So, first of all, click to open up the Settings app. Then scroll down in Settings and choose the battery option from here. From the battery, scroll down to see which application consumes the most battery. As you can see, in my case, the YouTube app contains the most battery percentage. After that, open up the App Store on your phone. And once you get into it, simply click on your account icon from the top right corner. Then, you'll be able to see all the apps you have to update. After that, make sure you update all the apps. Now get back to Settings and choose the battery. Then click to turn on the low power mode. After that, get back to Settings and choose the text and size option. You can adjust the size and text of your app. Now, you need to go into Accessibility options. And from Accessibility, choose the display and text size. Then tap to turn on the Reduce Transparency option. Now, click on the search bar and search here for Location Service. After that, click to open the Location Service. Then make sure you turn on the Location Service from here. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.